Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, I decided to go ahead and do a comparison of the official Noble Collection Marauders map and my DIY custom Marauders map. So the differences are, pretty apparent. At first you can tell that it's not the same color. I used a completely different background texture for mine, and I just don't like the darkness of this one and how splattered it is, because it doesn't really look like that in the movie. And the size is pretty much exactly the same. The Noble Collection map is a thicker paper. It's a cardstock, where mine is just regular paper. Let's get into the details. The official map opens up like this, all the way to the middle, just like that. Compare that to my map. My map also opens up the same way, so we're gonna open it all the way up to the middle, but then when we get to the middle here, it has an extra section that opens up with other pages inside there too. So it's almost double the size if you want to think about it that way. Back to the official Noble Collection map, we're going to open up to this very first inner flap. Now, I went over this in my how to modify your Noble Collection Marauders map. We fixed this, but I'll just go ahead and go over this again here just in case you missed that one. Where it says Peeves may lurk here, it just doesn't even line up when it's closed. This part is way bigger than what's behind it. So yeah, this you can fix if you follow my tutorial. And now if we take a look at my custom map, you see it says Room of Doom here. It matches up, lines up just like it should. Other than that, the middle flap here, which is the only other flap in this official Marauders map, it lines up fine. There's really nothing too bad about this, except it says Peeps may lurk here, whereas in the actual map it should say Room of Doom here as well. It's not glued down that great. You can see it just kind of comes up on the edges. But other than that, there's no other flaps in here. It's just those two flaps and those pages that open up. My custom map will open up to the middle as well. You can open this up, and as you can see, it's glued down quite better, I would say, because I did this by hand. Obviously, the Noble Collection one was made in a factory, so they didn't have anybody with their hands on it. Other differences here. First of all, my map has a reversible cover, which folds out like this, and then it folds around, so you can actually have the Marauder's message to Severus Snape, and then you can fold it back in like this. And I have also added a series of footprints in here that can be revealed. We have Hermione Granger. We have, if we keep going, right here on this page we have another flap which reveals the Room of Requirement. And if we open that up a little further, right here's another flap hiding Draco Malfoy's footprints. Now here in the middle, this opens up and we will find Harry Potter's footprints right here. Over here we'll find Peter Pettigrew, and then below that we have Severus Snape, all right here in the middle. And if we keep moving along, right here we have Albus Dumbledore. Over here, you'll find Ronald Weasley. And then just a little further, there's Newt Scamander standing right here. And that should be it. So, I'm going to continue to do upgrades to my Marauders map, as well as mods to this map. So I'm going to try and all those features that you saw on this map, I'm going to be releasing for the official map as well. So you can mod your official map to be more like my version. But if you already have a version of my map, I'm also going to be releasing the templates for my map. So you'll be able to download those and attach them to yours, no problem. And yeah, that is just about it. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let me know if you like the Noble Collection map or not. And also if there are any additions you'd like me to make or corrections that you want me to make on either my map or the Noble Collection map, let me know about that in the comment section as well. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.